If you're tired of paying monthly for editors like Adobe Premiere Pro or Filmora, keep watching. This might save you serious money. Today we're talking about VSDC Video Editor Pro and whether this budget-friendly lifetime deal is actually worth it. VSDC Video Editor is a powerful non-linear video editing software built for Windows users. Who is this for? YouTubers, small business owners, freelancers, students, anyone editing on Windows. This tool can handle it. Performance and speed. One thing I really like, VSDC uses hardware acceleration, which means faster exports, smoother editing. Even HD and 4K projects export quickly. And yes, it runs well even on older PCs. Minimum RAM, just 512 MB. That's impressive. Let's talk about what makes the Pro version worth paying for. Motion tracking, advanced multicolor chroma key, not just green screen, video stabilization mask tool, audio waveform editing, voiceover recording. Sub-pixel resolution for precise effects. HDR support, you can create picture-in-picture, split-screen cinematic color. Grading, smooth animations, professional transitions. This feature list is kind of crazy. VSDC does have a free version, but Pro gives you faster processing, motion tracking, advanced masking, stabilization, premium templates, better export control. If you're serious about YouTube or client work, Pro makes sense. Right now, the lifetime license is available on Stack Social for $29, but deals like this don't last forever. If you're thinking about upgrading your editing game without upgrading your expenses, this might be your move. What real users are saying on review, VSDC holds around a 4.5 rating. Users love the value for money, the powerful features, the no subscription model. Some beginners say there's a small learning curve. But once you understand the timeline system, it's very flexible. If you don't want to pay monthly, don't want watermarks, want pro features on a budget, then yes, VSDC Video Editor Pro is 100% worth it. It's one of the best value Windows video editors right now. Is it as advanced as Premiere? No. Is it powerful enough for YouTube and business content? Absolutely. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews.